volunteerism is a mindset change over all of us. You leverage on our God-given talent and it all our skill to turn all the challenges into opportunities as we touch many lives across communities in Africa. Innovative volunteerism. Innovative volunteerism.
Yeah, a man and a woman in this zone. And I do use the green briquettes, charcoal, for cooking. And since I started using these briquettes, they have been saving so much of my income because they burn longer than the normal charcoal. And also these briquettes, they do not break easily, like the charcoal from the firewood, or from the wood. And so, also these briquettes, when you put them, they do not bring out smoke, like the normal charcoal. They have no smoke at all, as you can see. Also these briquettes, they have no, the smell, like the charcoal, it do smell. These ones do not smell at all. And so these briquettes, I can advise each and everyone to use them when cooking because they are more important and they save so much of our energy and also so much of our income. Also, these briquettes, they are prepared from the cassava peels. When we peel our cassava, the peels, we dry them, then we make briquettes with them. And so we do not use any tree at all. So they are not from the trees. And so we do preserve our trees in that way.
My name is Alex Karaoke, an innovative volunteer. And I'm very grateful to be part of this solution whereby we are making briquettes which help out. There is no deforestation. We started by some training whereby we made briquettes out of some paper and some charcoal residue. And later we moved on and made briquettes out of these cassava peels, as you can see, which we carbonize, then make the briquettes. These are the products. This briquettes coal is very good because it doesn't remove smoke. As you can see, it's very good for your health and it helps out in deforestation. There is no cutting down of trees because we are reusing and recycling. And for the benefits, it's good to the environment and it has helped me also to be inspired and to do great things out there and helping out others to make one.
I'm Francis Ngugi, an innovative volunteer. We have been making briquettes and it has really helped a lot of people in terms of saving money. Compared to charcoal, it does not produce a lot of smoke. It has no smoke compared to charcoal. And also it has really helped people. When it comes to cooking, there is no using a lot of briquettes compared to charcoal. It has also helped me as a volunteer to make income, and I'm very grateful for that.
I'm Augustine Adegula, an innovative volunteer. As you can see, we were trained on how to fabricate briquettes. We fabricate them from these cassava peels, whereby we take them from here, we carbonize them. From there, we mix it with a binder. Then we take them to the extruder. After there, we sun dry them, and here they are. So, as you can see, briquettes are smokeless, which improves our health in a positive way. And through fabricating briquettes does not need to cutting down of trees, whereby we conserve our environment. At least when we make them, at least we make some income, sustain our life. Making briquettes have helped me by improving my skills and making income.
My name is Steffi Maingi, an innovative volunteer. and we have been inspired to retool our skills in very many ways to create our day-to-day solutions. Right here before me, you can see clean energy briquettes. And we started out with a training where we were trained how to make briquettes using paper and charcoal dust. Then we moved ahead and started now making briquettes using agricultural waste. So as you can see here, this is cassava, dried cassava peels. So what we do, we carbonize the cassava peels. Then from there, we milled it to have fine powder. We mixed it with a binder. We put it into the extruder. And from there, we have these briquettes, these clean energy briquettes, which we also dried for 4 days so that we can get this final product. Here we have a demonstration on the Jiko where we have used this specific briquette to cook something using a Jiko. And as you can see here from this demonstration, there is no smoke. Normally we found people that in their old age, they get to have a few health complications, especially chest complications, because they used charcoal or they used firewood, which inhalation of that smoke has affected them in the long run. Now with the briquettes, we have cut down on that. Another aspect is that you find that that smoke also affects the eyes. So we also have cut down on that, meaning these briquettes are very good for the health. Apart from that, you see that we are using this agricultural waste. So it's not only cassava peels. You can use the coconut, the husk of the coconut, rice husk, and other agricultural produce. So meaning that you don't have to cut trees anymore to create fuel. With agricultural waste that we have, you can create very sustainable fuel. Another benefit of the briquette is that it burns for longer. So the longevity of it is very good. Normally you'd use up to 2 kebes of charcoal just to make 1 meal. But now with the briquettes, you use very little briquettes and you can be able to maximize on it and cook a number of things, which are very, very huge benefits. And this is a very, very good product, and we have tested it. And we also have a few people who have used it and are really loving it. As a youth who has retooled my skills to now make the clean energy briquettes, I am very happy to continue making solutions. And it has helped me myself because apart from the marketing degree that I got in campus, now I have other things that I can actually make with my hands. And these are things that touch lives. I have extra skills and I am very, very happy to be part of the solution. Thank you.
Let's embrace innovative volunteerism. Ah ouais, Eziko. Rise up, you and me.